Welcome friends, today I will show you how to service a table fan. So let's start. We need a screwdriver set and a cotton. We have to open this. I'll show you. We have to open this lock with a screwdriver. I'm using this to open the lock. Gently loose the screw. Now after losing it, I am trying to open it. There it is. It's too dirty. After opening this, I have to open this. After that, I have to pull it out. The fan blade is separated from the motor and I have to clean it. With the help of cotton, I have to clean it. You can also clean it by water. I'm cleaning it side by side. The last blade. The fan blade is more or less clean. Now I have to clean the main body. By that cotton only, I am cleaning the body. By this I am checking the mobility of the motor shaft. After cleaning the main body, I have to clean the cover. The front cover I removed. Lastly, I am cleaning the front cover. The safety net. By this way, I can clean the safety net or front cover. After cleaning, I have to set back the fan belt. For setting the fan belt, you have to follow the lock. Here is a cut and the lock. There is a lock and I have to set it accordingly. After putting it back, I have to tighten the screw. For tightening, I have to use the screwdriver. And finally, I have to close the cover. Check for the lock. And then by tightening this nut, I have to fix the front cover. Manually ensuring the lock, and the fan is finally cleaned and ready for use. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.